Hi guys, today did you enjoy my video or you did not? Subscribe if you like it. Bye. I have still more things to do.
What's your name, little girl?
Oh, my name is MusDean.
But we can call you what for short?
For
short, we call you.
For short, to call me MusDean, baby MusDean. Thank you. You are umbrella. Z face. W window. X X-ray.
I can't see the picture.
No. Yawn. Y. Yawn. Z. Zebra. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my video. Then subscribe and comment down below. Please subscribe.